children, how are you all? I hope you all are good, right? Okay. Children, in previous class, what we learned? Yes, we learned in previous class shapes and patterns, right? Okay. So, every topic is over. This time onwards, I give the revision. Okay, children? So, today I will give the revision from chapter number 1 to chapter number 3. Because this is revision time now. So, today we are going to discuss assessment 1. Okay, children? Assessment 1 means chapter from 1 to 3, total topic, related topic bits are there. Okay, children? Are you ready? Fine. Now, children, look at here. Assessment 1. Chapter from 1 to 3. Okay, children? In the chapter number 1, in the what is the topic it is there? Yeah. Pre-math skills. Right? Means which is the longest, which is the biggest, which is the tallest, right? Which is the smallest. That type of topics are there. Right, children? So, see, look at here. A. First one. Choose the correct option for each of the following. Choose the correct option. See, look at here, children. We have A, B, C, D. 4 options are here. Which is the right answer? That only you have to tick. Are you understand, children? Look at here. Once again, I explain. Choose the correct option for each of the following. Choose the correct option. Why? Because here in the first option, see, in the first one we have 4 options is there. So, which is the right one? That only you have to tick. Okay, children? Now, first one, see, put a tick on the biggest cube. Cube means, see, this is cube. These are cubes, but different sizes, right? See, look at here. Which is the biggest cube? Is this biggest? Is this biggest? Which is the biggest one, dear, here? Compare these 4 objects. Which is the biggest one? Now, see, this is the biggest, right? This is the smallest. Yes, children? See, compare these 4 pigs. Which is the biggest one? Biggest cube? This one only, right? Which option this one? B. So, which is the right option? B. Shall I tick this one here? Now, so this is the right option, no? So, put the B only. Are you understand, children? Now, so we go to second one. Put a tick, right one, on the smallest cushion, means pillows. See, here we have 4 different type of pillows and different type of colors are there, right? But we want only which is the smallest. Which is the smallest pillow? See, look at here. Which is the smallest one? This is this one? Is this one? Is this one? Is this one? Compare these 4 pigs. Which is the smallest one? Tell me, children, which is the smallest one? This one only. Yes? See, here which is the smallest? A, B, C, D. Which is the smallest? C only. Right? So, shall I put the mark here? C. Okay, children? Now, we go to third one. Now, look at here, children. Put a tick on the correct order of numbers. Correct order. So, we have, see, 4 options are there. A, B, C, D. Every option we have numbers, right? See here in the A option, number 77, 78, 79. Here number option B, 79, 77, 78. Is this correct sequel here? See, we will find out. C, 77, 70, 78. D, 79, 70, 78. See, look at here children. Which is the correct order numbers it is here? We find out. See, is this correct order? 79. Here 77. Is this correct dear? 77 number. When it is coming here? After 79, after, before 79. Before 79, no? So, this is a wrong process. Now, we will go to C. 77, 70, 78. See, 77, after 70 it is there. Is this correct? No, wrong. Next, D option. 79, 70, 78. Here also, after 79, 70 it is there. This is also wrong. Which is the right answer? A. Why? Because, see, number 77, 78, 79. This is the correct order. So, which is the correct one? A. So, put a tick mark. A. Are you understand, children? Now, fourth one. Put a tick mark on the smallest number. Which is the smallest number? Look at here, children. See, in number A option 54, B option 45, C option 55, D option 44. See, look at here, children. 54, 45, 55, 44. Which is the smallest number? See, look at here, children. First, we have two numbers are here, right? See, just two numbers are here. Don't confuse. Okay, children. See. Look at here, children. Number A, 54, 45, 55, 44. Now tell me, children, which is the smallest number? See, look at here. Here all are, we have two numbers. So, first ones, tens. See, ones, tens. Ones, tens. Ones, tens. Ones, tens. When we have two numbers, first we compare tens place numbers. Okay, children? Now, what we have tens place numbers? Here 5, here 4. 5, 4. So, which is the smallest? 5, 5, 4, 4 it is there. So, which is the smallest? 4 numbers. But we have 4 numbers, 2 is there. Right? Then, we have to go ones place numbers. Okay, children? Ones place. In the ones place numbers, here 5 is there. Here 4 is there. Which is the smallest number? 5 or 4? 4 only, no? So, this is a smallest number. This is a smallest number. So, shall I put here? Yeah. Are you understand, children? What he asked? Put a tick mark on the smallest number. So, we have 4 different type of numbers are here. All numbers are two numbers. Means ones, tens. First, when we compare these numbers, first of all, we do one thing, that is mention place values. That is ones, tens. Ones, tens. Ones, tens. Ones, tens. First, we have compare only tens place numbers. Right, children? Then we compare ones place numbers. Okay. So, we have in the tens place numbers 5, 5 it is here. Here 4, 4 is here. Smallest numbers, 2 numbers we have. So, here 2 numbers, 4 only it is there. That's why compare ones place numbers. Here 5 is there, here 4 is there. Which is the smallest one? 5 is the smallest? No. 4 is the smallest. So, 44 is the smallest number. So, that's why we mentioned D option. Are you understand, children? Now, next, fifth one. Now, look at here, children. See, fifth one, 4 tens plus 3 ones equal to 4 tens plus 3 ones equal to. See, look at here, total answer, what is there? 4 tens. 4 tens means, children, just I explain here. 4 tens. 4 tens means how many tens here? Only 1 10. How many tens here? Tens, 10, 10. We have 2 tens, right? We have, see here 1 10, here 2 tens. How many tens we have? 3 tens. How many tens we have? 4 tens. Totally together how many? 40, right? Are you understand, children? How many tens? 1, 1 10, 2 tens, 3 10, 4 tens. 4 tens means, see, 4 10, 10 plus 10, 20, 20 plus 10, 30, 30 plus 10, 40. See, look at here, 4 tens. 4 tens means 40 plus 3 ones. 3 ones. Ones plus numbers how many only? 3 only. So, 40 plus 3. What is that answer? 43, right? Now, in number name, how can you write? 43. So, see, look at here in the A option, 40, F-O-R-T-Y, 43. Is this correct? Yeah, it is correct. B, 43. Totally 43. Is this correct? Yeah, it is correct. Number C, 40 plus 3. 4 tens, 3 ones. It is also correct. Which is the right option? D, all of these. These all correct. So, we mentioned D option. Okay, children, because these answers A and B and C all correct. That's why all of these are also correct answers. So, that's why we mentioned D option. Now, sixth one. See, there are dash numbers of leaves. See, totally how many leaves? You count it. After that, you find out A, B, C, D. How many leaves it is there? Okay, children. Next, seventh one. Seventh one, 85 pencils can be regrouped as dash tens and dash ones. See, children, 85 pencils is there. How can you write? How many tens, right? How many ones? See, which is the correct answer? 5 tens, 8 ones. 8 tens and 5 ones. 9 tens, D. None of these. No one is, it is correct. It is not, these are not correct. So, first see, look at here. In the ones place number, which number it is there? In the tens place, which number it is there? Just you observe. After that, you go to the options. First, ones place number. With which number? 5. In the tens place, 8 is there. So, before tens, which number will come? 8 or 5? 8. In the tens place, 5. So, we found out which is the correct answer. See, 8 tens and 5 ones. This is the right option. Understand, children? Now, the number that comes after 29. See, children, here many children are confused after numbers and before numbers. Why? Because see, number don't see this number just after or before. It is which is there, after or before. That's it. Okay, here after is there, right? After number, after 29. So, after 29, which number will come? 29, 30, 28, 92. Which one coming? That only you find out. Next, ninth one. See, look at here. There are dash smileys all together shown the below. See, look at here. Here two group smileys are there. How many smileys total together? Together means add, right? You do together, after you find the options. Okay, children? Totally how many smileys are there? Just you find out. After that, you choose the correct answer, which is the correct one. Now, 10th one. Okay, children? Now, fill in the box using correct symbol. 23 dash 32. Greater than, less than, equal to. What is this? This is the opposite V shape. Right? Now, tell me which is the correct number. 23 and 32. Which is a big number? That side only come to 2 dots. Right? See, 23. Here 32. Which is a bigger number? 23 or 32? 32 only, no? So, 2 dots only this side coming. 1 dot that side. What is that? This is less than. Now look at here, children. See, look at here, children. See, B bit, just fill in the blanks. It is there. Okay, children, fill in the blanks. The number that comes between 91 and 21. 91 and 21. Which number comes between number? You find out. Second one. 100 ones equal to dash tens. Children, this is a just critical question. Just I'll explain. Look at here. See. See, children. Here how many tens? 1, 10, 2, 10, 3, 10, 4, 10 means 40, no? Now, one more 10, 50, one more 10, 60, one more 10, 70, 80, 90, after, see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 tens means 100, right? So, see, here 100 ones equal to how many tens? 100. In the 100, how many tens will come? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 plus 10, 20. 20 plus 10, 30. 30 plus 10, 40. 40 plus 1, 10. 50. 50 plus 10, 60. 60 plus 10, 70. 70 plus 10, 80. 80 plus 10, 90. 90 plus 10, 100. So, total how many tens? 10 tens. Okay, children, that type you find it. Third, next here, same like this only. This is also you can do third one. 2 tens plus dash ones equal to 25. Okay. Next fourth one, 9 dash 11. See which number coming? Greater than or less than. Here also 85 dash 86 and 87 it is there. Here which symbol coming? Greater than or less than. Okay, children. See 85. Here 86 and 87. Which is a bigger numbers? That side only you find the 2 dots. Okay. Now third bit, C bit. Okay, children. Now C bit. See. State whether the following statements are true or false. Now 33 comes after 34. See, after 34, which number coming? 35, right? After 34. But here 33 it is there. Is it true or false? False, right? Now 89 comes before 90. Before 90, which number? 89. Is it correct? Yes. Now Ramu asked the baker to write 9 tens and 9 ones on his grandfather's birthday cake. The baker writes it correctly as 99. Is it correct, dear? 99. Is it correct? 9 tens. 9 tens means 90, right? Plus how many ones? 9, no? So total 99. Is it correct? 99. So it is true. Now see fourth one. 48 less than 39. Is it correct? See, you find out. Fifth one. How many stars totally? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. See, total how many stars? 15 stars we have. Here equal to 8 plus 7 equal to 15. Is this correct? Yeah. See, look at here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In the first line 8 stars is there. In the second line 7 stars. So 8 plus 7 equal to 15. So true. Right, children? Now, see, match the following. See, look at here, children. Column A, column B. In the column B, answers are there. Column A, questions are there. Okay, dear? Now, A, 6-62. 6-62. Now, which number coming? 60 after? Now, you find out. Now, 59-60. Which number coming here? In between numbers these are. Between numbers. In between numbers. You find out. 5 tens, 9 ones. 5 tens plus. See. 5 tens, 9 ones. 5 tens means 50 plus 9 ones. 59. Where it is? Yeah, this is here. 59. Okay, this is critical, no? In between numbers you can easily find. See, same like this. 6 tens plus 3 ones. Which is 6 tens means 60 plus 3. 63. Wait. You find out. Okay, next E. 71. 71. It is a number name, no? 7 SEVENTY. 71. Okay, children, you can find out. See, look at here, children. Here, don't confuse. Just here, 70. 1, not 1. Ones. Ones means it is place value, right? See, 70 ones. 70 ones means this is only place value. It means 70 only you find out. 70. Ones, no, don't worry. See, not it is only one. Ones. Ones means it is place value. Okay, children. So, we find out 70. Where is the 70? Yeah, it is here. Okay, children. So, this is total assessment 1. Chapter from 1 to 30. Are you understand, children? These bits are you can do. After that, you send to me. Okay, children? Children, are you understand about assessment 1? See, about assessment 1 from chapter number 1 to 3. In the chapter number 1, what is the topic? Pre-math skills. Second chapter, numbers up to 100. Third one, compare the numbers. Means big numbers, small numbers, greater than, less than, and place values. Right, children? Now you can understand. I thought you can understand. Children, page number, in the textbook page number, what is the page number? Page number 158. Open the page number 158. Do that assessment 1 totally. I explained everything, right? Each bit I explained. You can understand, I think. So, do all bits. After that, you send to me. Okay, children? Thank you.